Back in everyday wood today. I'm gonna go grab some groceries.
From Publix. Thanksgiving in a couple days. Comment down below what y'all cooking for Thanksgiving. Babe, are we cooking or we hanging out? We still ain't decided yet. It's closed on Thanksgiving, so if we go do a little something, we need to grocery shop tomorrow. So we're gonna get us some watermelon, some bananas. I'm so mad because I had a bouquet of roses when I was just in, ooh, look at these. Oh no, them look like they about to die. A bouquet of roses when I was just in Sam's Club, but I had forgot my debit card at home. So I couldn't get nothing. I want me some watermelon. Get a little one. $4.27. You think that's too high for some watermelon? The kids always eat them, but when I buy the big bowl, you know, they never eat them. Why is it weird like that? All right, guys, so now we're going to get us some bananas. Babe, you want me to get some red potatoes? You want me to cook you breakfast tomorrow? I'm going to make you some home fries. I done learned how to make home fries. Now, you can't tell me nothing. Oh, the banana's not ripe yet. I could get them and let them get ripe in like 2 days. That's all they got. Right. You want me to get the red potatoes? Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get some red potato, make some home fries. Y'all, I done learned how to cook home fries, which is one of Daddy's favorite things. So now you can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. All right. These look okay, babe? Yeah, they all look a little damaged. These big, but then guess that's just how I look. All right.
So what, we had some baby ones like this time?
Yeah, we had the little tiny ones like this. Oh, this for the petite red potatoes. I wasn't paying attention. But we got to get the baby some of that juicy, like that watermelon juice. I don't know why I told everybody I like this juice, because look, it's like they barely got any. Do they got it? They only got a couple. It's now $3.09 a jug. I'm going to get 4. Do you like the fruit punch? It's so good, y'all. Should I buy a fruit punch or just get... Yeah? Okay. So I'll get 3 watermelon. I'm going to get 1 fruit punch. And I'm going to get 1 orange juice, because we haven't had orange juice in a while. I actually like the Publix orange juice. It's real sweet. But I'm going to get this. It's buy 2, get 1 free. But I can't fit all this in the refrigerator. Yeah, it should. I want no pulp. But I don't want that one. That one's 50% no sugar. Oh, right here, original. I'm just going to buy 1 because I don't think 3 could fit. Alrighty. Thank you, Daddy. I don't know why I love these onions. I want to learn how to make, what is it called? The fried onions, babe. You don't like these onions? They just taste so good if you eat them raw. Oh, they so good to me. Oh, look, they got the milk and cereal bars on sale. Oh, no, this is a pancake kit. Cinnamon toast pancake kit. Buy 1, get 1 free. And then they got Lucky Charms. I ain't never heard of this. I'm going to get 1 of each. They only $3.89. Buy 1, get 1 free, so almost $2 each. I'm going to try to cook this for Tootie. You don't think I need to buy that? We need cereal. That's something we came in here for, because we don't got no cereal. And we need milk. We down to the last little bit of milk. I don't know what we gonna eat tonight. You know, I still got them crabs. I wish I had WIC. This juice on BOGO, guys, this week. So if you have WIC, it's on BOGO. Get double. Get double that week. Oh, we need syrup, babe. $1 off any 2. Okay. We'll buy 2. And grab the, what size? Up to 36. And we'll get 2 of the 36s and get our $1 off. It's $6.39. It's probably cheaper at, whatchamacallit, oh, the Miss Buttersworth is BOGO. Everybody been grabbing that. I don't like Miss Buttersworth. You like Miss Buttersworth? You really don't. I think Miss Buttersworth be too, yeah, it be too thick. I don't like that. It tastes like struggle. All right, guys. So Lucky Charms are BOGO. We'll get 2 of these, which you can mix match. Babe, everything high. You don't be grocery shopping, so you don't know. You only be like at Sam's Club with me, but everything is so high, Daddy. You know, Publix always been high. Publix cereal used to be like $5, but at Walmart, the cereal not $3.68 anymore. It's high. It's like $4.58. We'll get 2 Lucky Charms, which we could mix and match, but my kids actually like those. Oh, we gotta get Frosted Flakes. That's their favorite. Frosted Flakes aren't on BOGO. Damn, cereal is high. Look, the large is $6.09. And the family size here is $7.19. Oh my goodness. Look good. Strawberry milkshake. I kind of want to try them. The big girl in me like, get them, get them.
I like strawberry milk.
You want to try it? Look nasty. You think the kids will like it? You only eat cereal like if you just bored. Like real bored and can't sleep. Gotta have the ice. I kind of want to try this. $5.39. Daddy said we should go to, oh wow. I've never seen a.
They knew.
Oh, wow. So we're definitely going to get these just to try them. But Daddy was saying. I'm sorry. What you call the people? I don't know what you call these folk. Yeah, we got to get those. I'm so hungry. I'm going to eat them. So we're going to go to, they got Cocoa Rice Krispies, babe. Oh, my goodness. I ain't seen these in forever. I want these. Not this one, like somebody opened it. That's a lot of money for cereal. I want these, babe. I'm finna eat me a bowl of cereal for dinner. Put some bananas in. Well, them bananas ain't right. So Daddy said we should go to Walmart. So not to go too crazy on cereal, but we need to stock the pantry up with cereal right now. Like, so we'll do that tomorrow. Look, they got the juice 3 for $7. I thought it said BOGO on the other side. Oh, these buy one get one. Do you think I should buy them? I think baby like those. Yeah, should I get those? They buy BOGO. Yeah, the Captain Crunch BOGO. So I got 2 of those. The Lucky Charms BOGO.
But when Honey Nut Cheerios that have 2?
Babe, inflation. That's what I'm talking about. Inflation. That's why I'm scared. Why I keep going to the store buying stuff even though we don't need it. Inflation. Should I buy this apple juice? That's wasting money. It's gonna make you go to the bathroom. We drank it when we had wick. I agree. It make you thirsty and you gonna have the bubble guts. We gotta get milk at the end. I don't think we need nothing else. I'm hungry though right now. Like while I'm in here, I was just like, oh, I want to eat. Should we get the kids? Buy the kids ice cream? Why they can't get no ice cream? Yeah, I'm staying home. Oh, you want to go somewhere? If you want to go out, I'll go out.
I thought you said you were going to see
We gotta get toothpaste. I know this is our favorite. Ooh, what you call these people? I keep saying Peach Patch. This is my favorite mouthwash, baby. Do you want the green one? Or you don't like it no more? So you want to use my pink one, or you want to try the blue one? This blue one or this blue one? I ain't never tried the blue. Only the green and this. Which blue you want? This one? The little one, $7.99. Y'all know this one up too. Everything just getting more and more expensive, and we gotta get toothpaste. I use Arm & Hammer. It tastes nasty, but baby, if you want to have teeth like mine, y'all know I got all my teeth. Babe, you got all your teeth too, right? You're not missing no teeth. We both got all our teeth. I highly recommend the Arm & Hammer. I feel like I need a new toothbrush. My children took my toothbrush. Babe, did you ever find it? Because we could always buy a new head. We got the Oral-B. Oh, we got new heads? Oh, okay. So I just got to find it and replace the head. Okay. But we're also going to get a bleach. We're going to get the Clorox. I really like Clorox. Y'all know I'll get Top Job when I'm on a budget. But ever since the pandemic, Top Job just not as strong. You think it's strong? Or we just had to use it the other day? It don't smell like bleach.
For you when you clean. Like if you use that to clean, you use this expensive stuff.
But I like the smell. Like when I use bleach, it make your nose burn, your eyes burn. I like that. We gotta get 2 gallons of milk, Daddy. All right, guys. So the milk here is more expensive than Walmart. Over here, a gallon of milk is $4.95. At Walmart, the milk has been about $2 and some change. I'll get us 2 gallons. We go through milk pretty fast. But it depends on how the kids feel. If we don't got cereal or Oreos, they don't use as much milk. They don't just drink glasses of milk in our house. You think we need another thing of eggs? Babe, look how expensive eggs are. Especially the brown ones.
why you get.
Yep, the regular eggs. How? Look at that. $5.65. Walmart, the eggs like $5 for a dozen too. My little woodlings, that's what you call them, woodlings, Woody Woodpecker. I heard they call you Woody on the gossip pages. All right, Peach Patch, so we're gonna get some honey buns, the little woodlings. Choice wanted them donuts again. Gotta get him some oatmeal pies, babe. Choice likes snacks, which we probably need to stop letting him eat snacks, but he like them, so we buy them. I would get them the big ones because I don't like the big fat.
Yeah, this.
Oh, well, I don't eat oatmeal pies no more, but I think the big ones taste nasty. You don't think so? Yeah, he really don't eat sweets. He like them donuts. Where they at? Remember last time I bought them white powder donuts, how they come in a packet? But then him and all the kids in the neighborhood ate them. Oh, they right here.
Yeah.
These children ate these things.
That's what they can't say.
Want some donuts? Gonna get 2 packs so they could give them out to the children in the neighborhood because they just was playing with them tonight. You think he'll eat the chocolate ones? These are $5.99 or $4.99. Thank you, Daddy. On Jello just because I see it. You know, at Sam's Club, they sell the big packs of Jello. These 3 for $10. Is that a good deal? I remember Jello used to be $2. Baby, I love me some Jello, okay? 3 for $10. That don't mean you gotta get 3. When it's like that, you still get the deal no matter how many you buy. They ain't got no red Jello. How y'all ain't got no red Jello? That's the best one. So I'll get another green. Yes, Daddy? You want that tonight? For dinner? What you feel like you want for dinner, honey? All right, guys, so we don't know what we eating tonight for dinner. You want me to make that Chinese food stuff? So they had a bites on BOGO for $5.79. Our baby love these. Baby, you get him some of these, he eat them all in one setting, okay? We got to hide them when we buy them. Like, no more. I'm going to get the birthday cake. Oh, he like chocolate chip? What about brownie, fudge brownie? Want to try that one? We'll try that one. Which one you think he like more though, the birthday cake or the So we'll get that. Look, it's like we came in here and got nothing but junk food. For dinner, sir. You want me to cook? You want to make you some shrimp pasta? No, you don't like my shrimp pasta? What you want? We ate steak last night. You want to do steak and cheese? I got crabs that I didn't eat last night that I could eat. So we decided we're gonna fry some fish. What kind of batter you want? You want the beer batter or you want the regular one we get this fish fry? This ain't lemon, it's regular. Oh.
That's lemon.
I like that one for myself. So you want this one, the blue? The blue. They $2.79. You remember these used to be $1 and some change, y'all. I'm gonna try the beer batter too. Oh look, this spicy. You wanna try that? Yeah. I'm gonna get 2 of those too. So we also need cooking oil, so we're about to grab some of that. We don't got no canola oil, and oil has gone up as well. I just been buying. I got this last time because it was 2 for $10, so it's like $5 each. Because all the oil high, even the Publix oil $5.89. So we might as well get the Crisco. Get 2 of them, 2 for $10. Look at this. They got a red lobster fish fry. What happened, Daddy? I don't know. It normally be high. Maybe because it's little? Or you think because people ain't been buying it? What y'all think about that? The red lobster seasoned breading mix. Have y'all ever used that before? Fill deep fryer, pour red lobster season into a plate. Oh, you don't got to do nothing but pour them back. So we're gonna get us some fish out of here now. We eat tilapia, judge your mammy, okay? That's what we like. We like tilapia. I get it from Walmart. I don't even know if they sell it over here. Tuna, Maui. Oh, there go the tilapia. It's $10.99. We're gonna probably need 2 bags. You want me to go to Walmart? Think we going to Walmart or no? So Daddy said we can go to Walmart for this. Because it ain't that many pieces enough for $10.99. You can get a big box at Walmart. Plus, I can get some shrimp too and fry shrimp for a better price. All this here and just go to Walmart. You wanna leave it and go to Walmart? We ain't gonna do that. Thought about it. I mean, Woody Woodpeckers. We thought about it and we decided we just gonna get the fish out of here because Walmart probably super crowded with Thanksgiving coming up. Gonna be in and out, you know? The line's not long or nothing. We're gonna get some shrimp. You think we gotta get 2 bags? Look, it costs a lot to shop at Publix's, okay? That's why we call it Publix's. It's expensive here. It needs on sale. Somebody, you're gonna save $8. So we're gonna fry some shrimp, and then we're gonna get 2 bags of fish. So just on the seafood, we looking at, that's 21, so that's 42, and then 11 would be 53.63. Just on that. Comment down below what fish y'all eat. We done, but I just want to get 1 can of pineapples because we ain't got no pineapples. I normally have a bunch, and I just see this thing of pineapples. I'm like, oh, I want that. I might just get the pineapple chunks out of here. $3.99. I'll just get this. Is it cut? But yeah, this had caught my eye. $1.91. Guys, so I decided I want to get some of this Hooters bread. And so I'm telling my husband, look, I could do the Hooters bread and get the Hooters sauce and make us some buffalo shrimp. I like Hooters buffalo shrimp. If y'all never tried them, go try the Hooters buffalo shrimp. Where's the Hooters buffalo sauce? Hooters. Oh, I need hot sauce anyway, so I'm happy I'm right here. Honey, we need hot sauce. There we go. They go to Hooters. It's $5.29. Let's grab one of those. Put your buffalo shrimp up in this. I hope they come out good. I'm nervous now. And then we're going to get some Crystal's hot sauce because it's my husband's favorite. And I'm going to get Louisiana. She got Louisiana purchase card. I love Louisiana hot sauce. Yes, me and him argue about which hot sauce is the best. So we just got to get both. All right, Peach Patch and Woody Woodpeckers. It's time to go ahead and pay for our goodies. So we are all done. Daddy is putting the groceries up here. I'm thinking if we're under $300, that would be good. We would be happy because we mostly got like cereal, milk. We ain't really get nothing else super expensive, so we should be good. I feel like we're gonna be under $300. Right now we're at $210. Shopping at Publix's is expensive, but like I said, it ain't never really no line, no wait. You ain't gotta get in no fights in here, nothing. Okay, they'll help you bring your groceries to your car, give your kid a crayon and a coloring book when they acting out. I love it here. For the peace.
If y'all like this video, comment down below. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button. See you on the next journey.